Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reacting to more EAS alarms. So I did this a long time ago, so we're going to see Senegals. Let's see. It sounds like some kind of video thing, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm not going to be rating them today, but alright, let's see Sale Toms and Principes. I'm going to put my camera on. Oh my god. This is not... There we go. Let's see Sale Toms. What was that? Yo! St. Helena? Okay. Really? No, Mauritius. Sounds like the USA alarm. That's just USA alarm, but a little deeper. Marshall Islands. So I said I want this to be my ringtone. It's so true. I'm gonna do Bermuda. Sounds like a fire alarm. No. Montserrat. Okay, dope. Now Liberia. Sounds like my microwave. Now Gabon. That sounds like my fire alarm at school. Benin. So nice. I think I've heard that one in my last video. I don't remember though. Not Camaros. So someone said 10 out of 10. Once went on a trip to Camaros. Now our TV went off with that message. It freaked me the F out. Okay, it would too for me. Now we're gonna do Bahamas. Sounds like some weird drunk train. So yeah, we're gonna look for more. Okay. EAS alarms. Okay. We're gonna see. Alright, what do we have here? We got Tuvalu. What's Tuvalu? Wait, we're gonna see this. This is literally just Blood Bop, like reverse or something. It literally sounds like Blood Bop. I think we reacted to China, so we're gonna see again. Get it away from me. We're gonna do Uruguay. This 2013 earthquake. Don't be scary. It just sounds like the Area 51 game on Roblox. I don't think that's their EAS alarm. There's no way. No way. Why is a fire alarm coming off? I don't know why that's coming up. Let's do, Greece. I don't know. Greece. No, thank you. I don't want to ever hear that again. No, let's do Scotland. We're going to see Scotland's. No, thank you.
Welcome.
Scotland. AS. What's this? No, thank you. No. Okay, we're gonna do. What do I do now, guys? New Zealand. I don't know if I did this last time, but I don't remember any of the EAS alarms I did last time, so. New Zealand. EAS alarm. Let's see. It's not their EAS alarm. There's no way. No! 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 Let's do, Canada's EAS alarm. That's Mount Toby. Ours is just like, I'm not going to review that one because all of you guys know what that is. All I remember is Germany's from last time. It was like, What was that, guys? I have no clue what that noise was out there. Okay. Maybe the ghosts are coming to get me. Yes. Okay, I'm just kidding. We're gonna do Japan's. There's no way that's their EAS alarm. Nice. What's this? This alarm was played after the U.S. bombed Hiroshima. No! That makes it worse. No alarm, guys. Like, EAS alarms and tornado sounds make everything worse. Like, it makes everything more creepy. So, yeah. What should I do now? Bruni. I don't know. Bruni. Yeah, let's try that. You can it has a little thing around it, so I hope this isn't too scary. What the heck is that? No way. It's just a fire truck. It's literally just a fire truck. No. Let's do Norway's. POV, it's 3 a.m. You see zombies walk across the neighborhood. Oh, heck no. We're gonna look up. Yes, alarm scary. Let's see this guy. Not scary at all. That's Japan's. That's just United States. It's kind of different. Yeah, that would be my reaction right there. That's Argentina's alarm? No! Get Malaysia, no. Get out of Malaysia, guys. Get out of Malaysia. Portugal. Doesn't that sound like tornado sirens, but oh no. Sounds like Morse code. Right, was the imposter? Those weren't even that scary. Let's see this. Germany, yeah, you're vibing it. We've already heard Japan so many times, okay? Heard it all. We've already heard Norway's and I don't want to ever hear that again. Turn it off. Iraq? No. Israel? Sounds like Siren Head? Yeah, that sounds like Siren Head in my opinion. Brazil? That is the scariest one. What? Don't ever play that again. Spain? Okay, not too bad. Scary EA Salams, we've already done that. What's Philippines? No. Soviet Union's EA Salam? Okay, during the end of World War II. Sounds like a creepy looking lullaby. Japan's. Nope. Get that away. Serbia. Sounds like the tornado siren. In Indonesia. Was played on radios of the invasion of Ambien. I don't want to ever hear that again. Polish. Yes, alarm. No. Germany's? That's Wales? French, Southern, and Antarctic Islands. No. Uzbekistan. Why you gotta make them so creepy? I'd be dead too. Kuwait. No. Stop. Turkish. What is this? Colombia? Get back to you guys. Comment below if this is actually your EAS alarms, because, like, that's horrible. St. Marion. I guess that's Canada's. We're done with those. That sounds like something from Minecraft. I don't know why. What the? Why did I click on that video? Tuvaluan EAS alarms is Blood Bop, but this is literally all it is. Alright, let's see this.
Rating EAS alarms from different countries.
Sound like a computer from the 80s. Okay. Hey, don't want to scare you, but there's something going on. Here's some mochi. What do you mean where's a spice in Australia? That's creepy. What? You're making it more creepy, man. Stop. You've already seen quality logs. Could find out Kuro in one check. Denmark? It's Denmark. Chicken nugget. Oh, Italy is fire, actually. France? Wait up. This is a family-friendly channel. Finland is... We've already seen that one. Greece. Just for your information, you're gonna die. Yeah, if I heard that, I think I was gonna die too.
Whatever my friend was.
What is that? Okay. Let's see this. We've already seen this one in Canada. Yeah, why are you twerking? What are you doing? We've already... Screaming, crying, throwing up. I would also. South Korea. Robot invasion. No. Alright, let's see Mr. Incredible becoming uncanny with these items. Alright, let's see this one. Okay, that's scary. Well, we've already seen USA. What? This is Pakistan's. Isn't this... We've already seen this alarm. This is not their alarm. Very seen Taiwan's. You hear this? Yes, from yeah, that would be nice. Australia. Yeah, my eyes would be in my mouth too. Yep. Sorry, Netherlands people. I'm sorry, Singapore. Okay, we've already heard that one, but yeah, that's my reaction right there. That's my reaction. I'm like, ah! Lebanon? I don't want to ever hear that again. No, that is horrible. Yeah, he is really mad. I can tell he's scared. Dallas. Is it different ESM in Dallas, Texas? He said, is that use the restroom? It's an emergency parade. It sounds like a nuke. Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, that'll be right. Ukraine. That's what they all heard when the war started, probably. That's all what they heard. Oklahoma. We don't have a different ES alarm. Our ES alarm in Pennsylvania just sounds like the USA alarm. Horrible. Don't stop. So long. Yeah, we've heard that one now. It's so horrible. If you guys want season 1 of Waterboy, then subscribe. Button, what the? Like a railroad crossing. Russia. Oh. No, that's my Russian too. Wait, as a Canadian, walking up in the middle of the night and an Amber Alert with that noise is the most terrifying thing ever. Sorry. During the world's current situation, we gotta hope that we don't hear this all night. Yeah, I did. Bye. Thanks for 1,000 subs. You're welcome. And you can get another sub too. Thank you guys for reacting to this video. Goodbye. Those are all stories. If you want part 3, then subscribe, please. I don't have to suffer through these. Please just subscribe.